Seasonal recipes, a flavorful journey through the year. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the delicious world of seasonal recipes. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out in the kitchen, understanding this concept is key to enjoying fresh, flavorful dishes all year round. Let's get started. Seasonal recipes are dishes that are prepared using ingredients that are in season. This means that the ingredients are at their peak in terms of flavor, nutrition, and availability. Eating seasonally means you're enjoying fruits and vegetables when they're naturally ready to be harvested. This not only ensures better taste but is often more eco-friendly. 1. Enhanced flavor and nutrition. Foods in season are more likely to have reached their optimal flavor and nutritional content. 2. Support for local farmers. Buying seasonal produce often means you're purchasing from local growers, which helps your community. 3. Economic advantages. Seasonal foods can be less expensive, as the supply is higher when crops are in season. 4. Environmental impact. Eating seasonally often means reduced transportation and storage, leading to a smaller carbon footprint. Understanding what's in season can vary depending on your location and the time of year. Here are some general tips. Visit local markets. Farmers markets are great for finding fresh, seasonal produce. Do some research. Look up seasonal food charts online for your area. Ask around. Don't hesitate to ask local vendors or chefs about what's in season. Let's explore some recipe ideas for each season. Spring. Think fresh salads, asparagus, strawberries, and peas. Summer. Time for juicy tomatoes, berries, cucumbers, and melons. Fall. Squashes, apples, pears, and root vegetables take the stage. Winter. Hearty soups and stews with winter greens, potatoes, and citrus fruits. I hope this video has shed light on the beautiful and tasty world of seasonal recipes. Remember, eating seasonally is not only about great flavors but also about making healthier, more sustainable choices. Happy cooking and enjoy the bounties each season has to offer.